And this is I'll white out the or block out the customer name and the contractor's name. I pulled it up on a licensing board because a customer called me and faxed us over and asked if I can match it or beat it. But it's to install a 3-ton cooling coil and condenser. Install a 3-ton cooling coil and condenser stand, copper line set, electrical condensate pump, new T-stat, 13 SEER condenser, 13 SEER looks like coil. Install 3-ton HVAC system, $2,575. Well, I pulled up the license number, and right here, license is under suspension for following reasons. Somebody took his bond. So people, they lowball for a reason. And no, I cannot match it, and no, I cannot beat it.